If you're an affiliate marketer, a coach, or a course creator, and you're not really making the sales that you would like, I've got a couple of things that I'd like to tell you that are really going to help you out. So stick around and I will catch you guys right after this. Hey, welcome back guys, it's Jamie here. Thanks for joining me in today's video. If this is the first time on the channel, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. My name is Jamie, I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, digital ad strategist, and I'm a coach for a program. I've got over 560 students absolutely smashing it with their affiliate marketing business. And if you're interested in that type of stuff and you'd like to be one of our next success stories, going from 0 to 10K, 20K, whatever it is per month, there's a case study below this video and you're welcome to check that out and lock in a call with myself. Happy to go through your goals, what you're struggling with. I can also map out a plan to get you smashing your goals this year and beyond. Anyway, one of the issues that I do see is people not making sales. And of course, we all want sales. That's why we're doing this whole thing, right? We want to get the income, you got to get sales, get the revenue in your business, right? So where is the disconnect? And a lot of the time I will hear people saying, I'm just not making sales. Where are the buyers? Why isn't this working? What's going on? And I wanted to put a couple of things out there. And the first question that I would like to ask you guys, if you are experiencing that yourself, is how many offers are you making to your audience? How many offers are you making to your audience? So if you're not making offers to your audience, and it could be as simple as a verbal offer, such as if you guys are interested in ramping up your business this year and beyond, go to jgcall.com, that's an offer. Or another offer could be, hey, if you'd like to really blow up your affiliate marketing business and be one of our next success stories, hit that link below, check out the free case study and lock in a call with myself if you'd like to map out a plan and I can discuss our mentoring to see if it's a good fit for you. It's another way to offer. You can write something in the description, you can write something in a comment, you can send someone a message, you can ask them if they're interested in joining your program, you can ask them when they're likely to make a move on something, you can ask them if they would like help with something. You can ask them if they'd like to be part of your group, part of your community, if they would subscribe to your channel. Speaking of, don't forget, it could be anything like that. And that's the thing, if you're not out there and you're not absolutely smashing the offers out to your audience, you're not going to be able to sell something. So that's the big key. Now I'm going to try to paraphrase something I learned from Frank Kern recently, which was basically, he was asked, what are the top 3 things he suggests or he focuses on every day in order to build his business. And it's something that really resonated with me. I learned it on one of his podcasts. I'm pretty sure he's said it other places as well, but he's got a podcast which he's got a number of episodes for as well. I thought it was really, really compelling. So the top surface level stuff that you need to be working on is, number 1 is building your audience. Absolutely vital. If you don't have an audience, you don't have anything to put in front of them, then of course you're not going to make sales. But you need people. You need people. That's the key ingredient. So you need to be building your audience every single day. You need to be putting goodwill in your audience. So what is that exactly? Now, a lot of people talk about this whole idea that all you need to do is just provide value to your audience. And while that is incredibly powerful, and of course that is really good advice, the reality is that it goes a little bit deeper than that. You need to be able to take people on a bit of a pathway. You need to reveal a little bit about who you are. You need to talk about your vulnerabilities. You need to talk about your strengths. You need to polarize your audience. You need to push away the people that you don't want to work with. You need to compel the people that you do want to work with, your perfect audience, to make a move, to reach out, to be the attractive character that they desire to work with. That's what you need. And so you can do that through your valuable content. And the last part of it is making offers. And as I say, if you combine all those 3 things, then you will make sales. It's as simple as that. Now, of course, I understand this is very surface level stuff, and some of you are going to run with it and go, this is amazing. Other people are going to go, that's just absolute garbage. I don't know what you're talking about. Why don't you just show me how to build a funnel, damn it? Just like your old videos, which you're welcome to check out below. I've got a couple hundred there you can have a look at. I've got some stuff on building funnels and case studies on landing pages, things like that. But you can find that information anywhere, and this is the goods that are going to get you there. Like I was saying, just to recap, build your audience, whatever that means for you, putting out content. If you're on organic Facebook marketing or LinkedIn or whatever, it's a matter of adding new people to your ecosystem. Or if you're building a list, it means obviously building your list every day. Or if it's running an ad, then it means, you know, creating an ad that gets out in front of more people so they get into your ecosystem, into your world. And that's it. Provide that value. Take them on a journey. Give them mindset shifts. Give them updates on their belief system. Validate that belief system after you've changed it. So that way they feel like you're resonating with them even more. And then, of course, throw out offers. Like I say, interested in ramping up your business this year, go to jgcall.com. There's another offer. I've made like 5 of them in this video alone. Click the link. There's another one. I can go to town with this stuff. I could probably put all sorts of things all over my screen suggesting that you go and do something. There's another idea. Anyway, you've got to be making offers. And so whether that is as simple as, like I say, in your messenger, hey, do you want to check out this link? Hey, I've got some pretty cool things that are going to massively help you out. Do you want to check it out? You know, I'm using this software that does X, Y, Z. Don't know where you're at with things, but if you'd like to get this problem solved, check this out. You should jump on it. Awesome stuff. Anyway, do that. Do those 3 things together, and you will be able to build that bond with your audience. You will be able to sell more stuff. So anyway, hopefully you guys got some value out of this. Feel free to smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment, let me know your thoughts, and look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Cheers.